Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're revisiting Ann Bender, the American expatriate involved in one of Costa Rica's most infamous cases. After years of trials, public intrigue, and legal drama, most people wonder, where is she now? Let's break it all down. Ann Bender was the wife of John Felix Bender, a wealthy American living in Costa Rica. In 2010, John was found shot dead in their jungle mansion called Boracay. Over the years, prosecutors in Costa Rica have tried her multiple times for his murder. There's no double jeopardy law there, so she's been convicted, acquitted, retried, and appealed more than once. Her case has become a legal and media spectacle because of the strange circumstances, questions about suicide versus homicide, and the Benders' complicated life in the Costa Rican rainforest. Ann's legal history is long and convoluted. She was tried 3 times, with 1 conviction reversed on appeal and 2 acquittals. Costa Rican courts have continued attempts to bring her back for further trials, even after she left the country. Meanwhile, her health, finances, and mobility have all been mentioned in media coverage. She reportedly has conditions like Lyme disease and had a heart port. Her legal team, family, and supporters have fought over issues like extradition, retrials, and the management of the Benders' estate. Where is Ann Bender now? As of the most recent reports, Ann Patton Bender is serving a sentence in El Buen Pastor Women's Prison, located in San Rafael Arriba de Desamparados, Costa Rica. She was sentenced to 22 years for first-degree murder, following her conviction in connection to John Bender's death. She has physical health struggles, reportedly walking with a cane, dealing with a heart port infection, and managing Lyme disease. Her financial situation has also been constrained. Her access to funds has been limited by court seizure of her estate assets. She has appealed her conviction, and supporters continue efforts to challenge her legal status and seek retrial or diplomatic intervention. Ann Bender's story has been anything but straightforward. From jungle mansion to courtroom drama, her life has been shaped by legal battles, health issues, and high-stakes intrigue. Now behind bars in Costa Rica, her future hinges on ongoing appeals and international legal complexities. One thing is clear: this case still has many unanswered questions.